One of the most common tools that you will see made in a blacksmith shop historically, whether it's 1700s, 1800s, and especially that you'll see around here at Sutter's Fort, whether it's in the kitchen, the bakery, the vaquero room, you're gonna see hooks. And one of the most common ones is S-hooks. They could be things from hanging a kettle over the fire, connecting two pieces together. Let's make an S-hook out of some square stock in the blacksmith shop at Sutter's Fort. I'm going to take this out and curve it over the horn of the anvil. Looks pretty good for one end. We're going to do the same to the other side. Now I'm going to curve the other side. Now I want to heat this up and do a little fancy twist in the middle of this S-hook. I'm going to take this over and put it in the vise. Make sure I'm all straightened out here. There we got a nice twist on the S-hook. All right, now we need to quench this off in our slack tank. And there we have our completed S-hook. Perfect for hanging something from.